Hello, Edward.
Bros.
Why you come from since?
I will do this thing. I go
see how you take dress. What did they do you? I beg come on this thing for you. Come on this for you. Anyways, go as you come. I won't go supermarket before. So we go supermarket, go buy something for me because me I dey hungry. You know they hungry.
I don't dey hungry.
I beg you shut up. They hungry. Now they come this time. So we go supermarket. So you need to buy some vegetable when you go cook. I don't put something for fire. I don't put water for fire. Make it go now. I bet no lost my money.
You just that chicken that one don't finish. Make I buy.
Go buy chicken, buy vegetable, buy everything we go cook. Okay?
Giza yourself don't finish.
Yeah, for this morning I go buy everything. Yalla, go and buy. I'm waiting.
Okay.
Shutdown Empire.
It's CT on the beat.
I'ma see brother, see brother, see brother. I'ma see brother, brother we mumu, brother we mumu, brother we no wise. I'ma see brother, see brother, see brother. I'ma see brother, brother we mumu, brother we mumu, brother we no wise. I'ma see brother, see brother, see brother. I'ma see brother, brother we mumu, brother we mumu.
Hey boy, what happened? Where the bag? Bag from supermarket. What's it? Hey boy, you the stammer? Hey boy, the bag. I send you, I give you money, go supermarket. I say make you buy something. I don't go kitchen because I don't find that. I say you don't they go kitchen, they go cook am. Now I come sit down for here. You know how many minutes you don't stay there? You don't spend more than 1 hour. Make you go there under 10 minutes. Now just they come, they do
That time.
I mean they joke. You don't say you're joking again. This boy. Hey boy.
Joke, call, no be joke.
What happened?
The money, I don't know.
Say what?
The money, I don't know as the money take go.
They go where?
The village people just come. Money just vanish.
Today now they go village. You spend my money on how they go.
I don't spend that. The money just, I don't know.
Hey, sorry. Come on, Lele.
Oh my God.
For where I see you, sir. For where I meet you.
And even the one that they surprise out,
For where I